Okay, hello everyone. Today I will talk about knee stiffness, which usually occurs after the ligament or meniscus tear. Usually while playing or while doing any fast running or walking, we have the tear, and it can cause knee stiffness and knee pain. You will feel like your knee is just wobbling while you are walking. So what we can do for that is there are two ways we can increase the strength. One is before the surgery and one is after the surgery. Before the surgery, we'll make sure you have good quads strength like quadriceps muscles, because you need a good recovery post surgery also. So what we can do is we can just help them to just slide their heel to the leg down, just slide the heel and do it straight, just slide the heel down. Okay, this must be performed in a pain-free range only. Don't exceed when you have excessive pain, because these exercises are done before surgery to maintain the muscle strength. Just slide your heel down and lift. Okay, hold it and slowly pull it down. Okay, relax. Now the second one is the static quads. The static quads are, place any towel roll or anything below your knee. I'm just placing my hand below the knee, and what you need to do is just press your knee down, push my hand, press your knee down as much as you can and relax. Again, press your knee down, hold and relax. This should also be done in a pain-free range because your ligaments are teared, so we don't want to stress it more. Again, gently press it down and relax. Okay, now I'll place some foam roller below the knee. I'll place it down. Yes, just one more. Okay, hold it here. One. Okay, now what we will do here is just lift the knee up, hold it and relax. Again, lift the knee up, hold and relax. Again, lift the knee up, hold and relax. So this way we will strengthen the muscles quadriceps, especially before surgery, because after surgery for certain time period you will be given a rest. You cannot weight bear on your leg, so it's good like you maintain good strength of quadriceps before surgery and then go for a surgery. We can do some stretches also. Try putting the foam roller here and press the knee. Your back of your thigh and your leg will be stretched. Just try pressing it down and relax. Again, push it down and relax. Now the other stretch is, take your ankle in as much as you can. You'll feel a stretch in your calf and relax. Again and relax. Okay, so these are the exercises we will do before surgery. Now the important thing after surgery is again gaining back your knee range of motion, which is usually restricted because like in surgery they heal, they correct your ligaments which are already teared, so they give you a rest of at least few weeks, so you cannot put weight on your legs. So this creates a stiffness in your knee joint, like it gets stiffer. So what we can do is the same exercises before. Just slide your knee, and in this range you will feel something tight here. Don't overstress yourself, just hold this position as much as you can. What we will help you is, we'll try pushing your knee more. We'll push more, push. Okay, now I will tell you to give me a push against my force. Okay, I'll push inside, you need to push outside. Push, 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 push and relax. What I was doing here is I was giving a force towards the leg, and she was forcing me against. So I was trying to break the adhesions here so I can improve the range. What I will do is relax. I'll try tell her to do the range as much as she can. Okay, now at this point the range is restricted, she cannot move further because she'll feel something tight here, the stiffness. So what I will do is I'll give a force in, she has to force me out. Yes, push, 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 and relax. Whenever she relaxes, I'll try pushing a little bit more and then try to increase the range and relax. Again, do it as much as you can. Now this time you can see that the range is little better increased than what we have started. Again, do the same thing, push, 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 and relax. Okay, and this way try gaining the normal range as before, because we need the knee range and knee stability like normal. We need to walk, run, and do everything. Relax. Thank you.